Hello, today I will present you how to make self-test for COVID. So you can buy self-tests in each pharmacy in Slovenia, and in each box you will find three necessary things: the kit, this one to go into the nose, and of course some liquid. Okay, so how does it go? First you open this one, you prepare it, and after that you go to browse into your nose. You need to go a little bit deep, not only at the end. So when do you know that it's enough? When it become not nice and pleasant, you do it a little, you circle a little bit. Yeah. That's not the nicest things, but nobody didn't die because of this. Then you put this one inside. You mix it with usually you also have the bag for throw it this away. Close it, here open, and put 2 drops here. 1, 2, and wait 15 minutes for result. You check the result, you check where the line on the tester is. So here is on C, which is negative, and I would just like to add that self-test is really for the self-result. In Slovenia at the moment is valid only for job. It's not valid for going out to the street, but if you would like to get to know, it doesn't cost a lot and you're sure that you're COVID negative. Take care of yourself and others.